Buzibuba Asetkong Kaketshir Sindinokone Arug Wago Mobuntikit Wago Kupulong Wago Sangraze Wago Jambi Wago Longjang Wago Longba Wago Longjimmer Angazikchipa Atanga Asetkong Tichaplani Anyangma Sangbang Kajingaba Ayer Sangraze Yimtipa Nungi Pa Tirser Ipa Mungdang Wangshia Anyangma Sangbang Yarsin Jambir Mobuntikit Imtipa Nungi Tatung Tirser Ipa Mungdang Nitang Tajung Sa Anyangma Sangbang au tsinger pungen Longchang Yimtipa Nungi Pa Tungti Zilor Sir Ipa Sinten Zilorum Tajong Yuja Anyangma Kongru Opangkukla Ayer Longpa Yim Nungi La Ripsim Zilor Sir Ipa Mungdang Zilorum Nong Tibor Junga Anyangma
taunong iba sundong munur tu zukba sushi I kuina atin shalir nuki aji namjuma mi benak sooner aji asan Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang tane sai sabong mabang cha langa kiba janga munur tu zukba lir anongji aji nuki namjuma mi benak sooner tasbaji ano mabishir yangi tidang akam akachali ba lir berzebu ba Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang lokti senen la bokser asan mera takat linear wabung motishi longkomer Honorable MLA and Advisor, Labor and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Excise, Government of Nagaland. Vice Chairman, Asetkong Committee, Kupulong. Survey to ESC, Kupulong Headquarter. Samang lanutushi ayer, tier, au Kaketshir Mungdang, Aser Kelemton Zakartam. Sangbang Kaketshir Pungon, ESC Kifri. Senung silam palala atalirdam. Asukong Mungdang nung tier yanir, Kelemton Zakartam. Tsukong palala nung tier yanir, linear tachongdam. Media personals, Aser Sindapaliba, Asukong Kaketshir Mungdang Sangardam. Ajak tangi kemtasendan. Iba senung aratin ba sushi kangadang plaba lamsadeber. Senung tunzaka maudang tangnong akitsa senung tarsani yamai ajaki racha malisa sushi zanga metitakser. Anjindi tenet mi ana Mr. Chok angnong sendong mapang bungo ata aku. Mungdang labokser wabung mo tishi longkomer Honorable MLA and Advisor Labor and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Excise, Government of Nagaland. Mungdang labok, Kupulong Kaketshir Telungjem, Sendong Chipangser, Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang, Minden Bordam, Lai Zanger Sar Sadamtse, Dr. Putisen Uzakam, Youth Secretary, Abam, Medet Pela Mabang, Samang Lanuyanga Ayer, Medet Pela Zulur, Tower Pela Akizokba, Vice Chairman, Asetkong Committee Kupulong, Agidem Anthem Saya, Wabung, Chairman Ayer, Tajong Shiu, Wabung, Wedelo, ESC, Kupulong Headquarter, Tebla U, Samang Lanutushi Ayer, Tier, Au Kaketshir Mungdang, Kenga, Kungro Mi Chungla, Yabu Shiner, Samang Kaketshir Pungon, ESC Kifri, Mungdang Labokser U, Tatum Sar Satum, Wabung Lanu Longkomer, Pastor, Kupulong Papis, Araku. Senung akachali ba ama, Mungdang Labok, Kupulong Kaketshir Telungjem Achanga, Mirakata Labok Senung, Nuktang, Kangadang Pilar. I request my fellow non-English speaking friends to kindly bear with us since the rest of the program will be conducted in our own dialect. Senung jagi mi paudi, number ka, Lai Zanger Sar Sadamtse, Dr. Putisen Uzakam, Youth Secretary, Apang, Panamtang Mapang Akazar.
Asenoktan Zanger Mu Azanger Achang Atianudam Kalami Telungjem Nung Alitse Kudadachung Aser Changradam Selir Ipa Telungjem Achang Zakts Asushi Achimaloba Aser Tesengjem Aki Aram Zakpa Aki Temayam Nung Kadi Kadan Azazaktabang Tanala Telungjem Wazaka Yudat Asushi Tesenap Achanga Alan Daptakjang Aser idam ajak tak alama Temayam Kupai Kaketshir Tetamjen Telungjem Nung Alan Dabayutser Ipa Temayam Ji Subuang Aser Unong Sesia Maba Nong Sesia Nanuki Kaketshir Inyaktir Kibuba isu tenang nong ajak inyakang aser pa ajanga tupu cengremdang tenang sang agajang. Tenang sangkan Efisa aser kolosi kagadungi lai tu kungkar akitita asunuk ayong zakar cengrem muajang asunuk muajang. Sara sedam deh. Tempat dibat cengrem tenang sangaki unuki na tenang nong longjemer Kaketshir nai onok nam takam sembat akatse aser uze Asetkong yam senggam si palala nungi sisa shiram kelemi atensia longjemer kati kanungi angazak sesa mabang tetamjen nai sembat sugu ipa lier pezebuba Asetkong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang unuki na tenang nong pendanga user Kaketshir, uze Mungdang, nai rachumalir, uze timdam, nai nguchumalir, aser tarutsa sushi, uze ratamada, nai matadalir. Pikat mong acanga lidat pa sisashir, umenong achimdakar unuki ipa Mungdang, tenzaka Mungdang. Sisa luyemer siya, tetsebuba talenba, Aser tangardak metalukar aliba talenba nungi nachisu angoba mabangasetse nai ipa Mungdang muajang daunuki sara saramer. Senong nong silam palala akiba sisalan palala sayuba ajanga sisa shirdam angazaktang. Chichiba pi ketmung ajanga lidapa takamji pi tashi rungsen aser tashi medet ajanga masa. Saka alima sisa tse angazak pa dan kelemi. Nanungi akatsiba sembat aser sisa tse ajanga atuk tak tse da sisa luyumer siai angadat tse kibubanai ipa Mungdang muajang da sara saramer. Ipa Mungdang nong sisa shirdam pi takam tazuk panong lidapa sisa shirdam sedat tse angazak takjang. Pi takam nong Telumdet pa palala akidang sisa ka akiba sisa shiram siratse nai angazak takjang. Aser pinam nung lukziba mabano temulong lemdet pa sisa shiram siratse tangazak tak sabang ipa Mungdang sedaksyang dasara seramer. Uza Asetkong nong temulong ulwa pendanga Kaketshir meranga inyak pa sisa shiram atok takjang. Pita kemasusi Mungdang aser nak cidong tecangca yudepa sisa shir aduk takcang. Pria makadang makamai tianong aram zaka atas saba sisa shiram aduk takcang. Acimalu alani saba sisa shiram aduk takcang. Aser tia palala ajanga pi takam lipa liru aser cakla tendang-dang. Uci sia nuktak tetpa sisa shir aduk takjang da unuki nedang akangar. Ipa Mungdang ya alima yimyanong atensia lungsulungun ba Mungdang dang mas. Saka sidak pa cicia angazak pa janga pi takam nong temelan sia aduk tak tsetse. Aser ipa temelan sia janga pi yemtseng nong uze tsukung nong aser uze lima nong. Temelan si atok tak seba Mungdang ka sedetse kibuba nai iba Mungdang muajang manu danu kisara sadamer. Tangnui dezeka ipa Mungdang lapuk pa sendung unuki akiyunga utse. Ipa mabangya unuk Mungdang ulu siba mabangasetse. Ase unuk lungnong Telungjem dalitashi ichiba mabangasetse. Unuk mulungjang ase unuk tepang nungi atok pa ula ajak nong kibuba na tena nai maba inyakang daun ki sara sadamer kibubanya kuda melungar yamachirang sang. Amen.
Tanah buat senung jadi arti. Medet pula mabang samang lalu yang air. Medet pula zulur Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang.
Good evening. Ajaktang, Tamiyam Salam Apaner. Titi, Akam Agaja, Aliba, Lirsir Bizibuba, Asukong, Kaketshir, Telungjem Mungdang, Katang Boredom, Mungdang, Labokcher, Asir, Miratakat, Asukong, Kaketshir, Mungdang Sangar, Asunok, Iba Mungdang, Delegate System, Yamaya Litze, Unit, Palala, Tenanga Jadang, PP, Mendenong, Noktaka, Seoze, Ni Mabishia, Asungdangar. Number Kanong, Moving to get Ait Laishir, Telungjem. Tupur, Lirsir Bungo, Asir, Tutsir, Summersir Bungo, Ajak Agi, Tir Asaz, Amanze. Number Ana, Lungpa, Kaketshir, Telungjem. Tupur, Metze, Tutsir, Summer, Ajak Agi, Tanam, Amanze. Number Asum, Kopulung, Kaketshir, Telungjem. Tupur, Metzisir Asum, Tutsir, Dirtanet, Ajak Agi, Lir. Bzi, Lungjang, Kaketshir, Telungjem. Tupur, Tanamsir Ka, Tutsir, Metzisir Tuku, Ajak Agi, Tir. Number Pungu, Chami, Kaketshir, Telungjem. Number Trok, Sungratzi Students Union. Tupur, Lir, Tutsir, Lir, Ajak Aki, Tir. Number Tenet, Japukung, Kaketshir, Mungdang, Asir, Pami Narudam. Kanok Takza. Kabler. Number T, Zirangkong, Kaketshir, Mungdang, Asir, Pami Narudam. Kabler. Agim, Diri, Anir, Office. Japukung, Jangpatkong, Kaketshir, Telungjem Mungdang. Thank you. Taunong, Iba Mungdang Nong Atener Achakaki, Noklang Pungu Sir, Summer Sir, Tendet Alize, Gangablar.
Sindong number Asam, Tarur Pela Akizakpa, Vice Chairman Asetkong Committee Kabulong, Tang Mabangauter.
Namapang Akitse, Sapangi Arudang, Akidim Ajanga Tepala Temaitse, Simbat Dilaga Renam Zalier, Andongji Ipa Simbat Akizakze, Mabishir.
Lirse Pazibuba, Asukong, Kaketshir, Mungdang, Tir, Kajingabe, Anir, Kaliman Boram, Agidim Dak Sinakba, Ludan Palala, Asetkong Mungdang Labukter, She Wabung Wadushi, Longomer, Honorable Emily, Advisor, Labor and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Excise Government of Nagalit. Badan Menar Party Worker, Government Official, Lungbaryong Sangarpu Tumandan, Yimsung Palala Nungi, Yimsisir Tajungdam. 몽당 상을 공로 상방 워츠 워봉 구이나가 이바 몽당 켈미아 달려 니 아둑타운 거미디 아정아 정람드밈 살람 몽당 살람 감다슨 살람 아버네 단읍노의 등을 사이사봉 아슬 룩디 쓰는 오면 비긋몽 아정아 리드바 시사시 롱 아점다컬 실마기도 소시 아기디미 드능드다 종성을 르부다종 신옥사 자관리 반옥 아작든 몽등게 아로 아작 블라기즈가 금 1963 년에 아기디 몽당 tensu가 아로 단내다시 아슨 종성을 자국 만ung 무아로 되게 리얼 버즈부와 아스콩 몽당 아몽바 마왕 신우기사 조공 상하르마 군왕 나루금 다중 분야로 두고 반옥 아작당 강아 블라바 름사드바 사이사봉 아슬몽당 마왕 아중번 유일봉 미스라 시앙슈주 카이랑아 아두크라블라 오즈 고블롱 헬드 인 웰드 센터리 아제양서 베라당 라보갈리르 안농지 몽당 상할 아자기 이바농 실험 다중 아기닥스네 안능알리와 순동덤 구담마스 근우칼 아둑브라 우즈 아둑타운 거미디 그블롱 마장이 그자 근우와 벤을 마우트 아슬 이바 윤공동 근우 아작 스미드 메랑 오즈 이바자가 시름해 이바든 글름이 드자과상 랄리왈리어 세사봉을 브랑게 아로 카리당아 우즈 윤공 지하짐을 먼년즈디어 시기농 시방즈 아슬 바다갈랑 선지 들어알리자 이바지 고불롱과 듣달란 아슬 온옥 염드니 드넉 우승할 브랑자 안농지 몽당 상하레 아자기 이바 덤숭우숭농 다시야 앙아 아니닥스나 다듬사 몽당의 야로 라인 라노인 아자기 오면다 가점다갈 아순 수발리바 다종턴 갈레미 당아숙바농 몽을 아우트 이바 오다 자기 아용수가 강아발라
Sindong number bezidang jagi mepti akidiam anthem saya wapung tiamern ayer ipa anthem ya macam sushi Kaketshir Tsukong Kaketshir yudit acak nungi sangru kaka pendena panam macam dakziba kanlir anongchi tang panam iba mabang labukzer
Asetkong sengyu wapung tiamern ayer nungdugo container aser machimer shipai akidim anthem machimze na simpat tachong asushi asetkong sangari nukmir na shilam akitze sabangi arupa mabang akidim ajanga tebela temaitze sayuner
Akam tsubaliwa matan pordam asir yangi asan tsukong sangaram ajak asan kan ni kan meji maruba career no ni ajang da daruba asan ni experience asbaji asan zong sangadam kan mejim zi mesra bangla sangro zulu zi sempat aika lir da ajida da kangadang namadanga janradama noktaga taruza sushi nakla tulu lir ni da noktaga iba asan Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem anthem ya ni taunong salazer Taket Asetkong Kaketshir Yem Kong no Rang Seakam Taket No Kin Keter Walo Nir Sute Tapli Tamang Tia Nungi Te Sangwatangi Kaketshir Dem Nagchitong Kata Asan Liang Erzi Aramasu Meraksa jeli cerapur mangtang Desentak tepakang sianang rikanti Sengkang mejema tejak leni longti Long jem shiti nepura sushi Ali mai neksia yung yarner nekipung Lanu asen surtem kem siang Ajemalu atila kemerucinong Tarut sebutu tim la sunuklir Jang jashiti asen nekmen Zengami Asetkong Kaketshir Telungjem muajang
Kangalang mazing yaliba takam saka nai mabang agacha atwa ne sembet tajong amsha asen Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang indem saya zenu kangalang blawa meditaksir ceremony ne takam aser sembet tajong manini muajang ma sendong number punguji yarudi tajong shiu wabung wedelo ESC kubulung headquarter. I request, sir, to kindly take your time.
As a token of our appreciation and gratitude, the Kaketshir would like to acknowledge your presence and contribution, sir. Kindly accept this small token of our appreciation.
Hello, check. A blessed New Year greetings to one and all from my family and the entire staff of the EAC office, Kubolong. Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this time. Respected President and his colleague of Asetkong Kaketshir Mungdang. Respected RKM President and his colleagues, respected President and his esteemed colleagues of Asetkong Sinso Mungdang, village elders, functionaries of all the villages under Asetkong range, Kubolong Ad hoc Town Vice Chairman and executive members, most revered and regarded pastor of Kubolong Baptist Arogo, our Abam Youth Secretary, most respected our Honorable MLA and Advisor, Labor
and employment, skill development, and entrepreneurship and exercise, Shri Matushi Longkamer. Sir, it's a big privilege and honor for me to share the same platform with you tonight. Officials, officers, dignitaries, invitees, and all the well-wishers that are present here. And taking this opportunity, I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation towards the organizing committee of this 44 Asetkong Student Conference Meet for giving me the opportunity to speak in this auspicious event. Well, this evening, as your elder brother, as your area administrative officer, as EAC Kubulong, I want to speak my mind. I want to speak the thoughts that has been lingering in my mind for quite some time now. And I want to express my honest thoughts and opinions freely and clearly tonight. There is an adage which goes, bitter truth is better than better lies. Karwa sach मीठी झूठ से बेहतर होता है. Therefore, this evening, I will not be concocting my speech with something which is not true, which is fake. I will not be delivering my talk with a false narrative or things which are not achievable, things which are not doable, but rather, I will be giving my talk focusing on those area, focusing on those domain and sector which and where we all need to put our heads together, which we should and which we must all come together and work as a team for the growth and development of Asukong range in general, and particularly and specifically for the Kubulong town. Whether we like it or not, Kubulong town happens to be the administrative headquarters of the entire Asetkong people. Now, if we are to retrospect, if we are to look back, reflect back our past history, Asetkong range, Kubulong town, it holds a very unique and an honored place in the history of our state. Why I say this is because it's written, it's recorded in the history that Asetkong range and Kubulong town happens to be one of the oldest and one of the earliest place, one of the earliest range, one of the earliest town where the Aun Nagas had their first settlement. That's the first reason. The second is, after the coming of the American missionaries in the year 1894, a mission center was set up at Impur. And after that, the Asukong range, Kubulong town, it became the cradle of Christianity. From this range, from this town, from this place, Christianity, it propagated, it started to spread throughout the villages and towns, not only for the Au Nagas, but for most of the Nagas, which we all are aware. Following that year, in the year 1895, the first American Baptist training school was started. And over the past years, this school, it has produced so many tall leaders. It has produced so many professionals, intellectuals, technocrats, bureaucrats, doctors, engineers, missionaries, pastors, and so on. Why am I highlighting all this is because our past history, we have a very rich cultural heritage. We have a very significant historical background. We have a very rich educational significance. This place, this range, it holds a very spiritual significance as well. We have a very proud and rich history. But in the present context, particularly if we are to consider Kubulong town into consideration, please spare me an apology. My comments might be hurtful for many, but if we are to take Kopulong town into consideration in the present context, it has become a redundant town. It has lost its significance. It has lost its importance. It has turned into a place which no longer holds any importance. It has become an obsolete place. It has become an unused place. Why I say Kopulong has become a redundant, a non-significant town? As per my personal observation, my understanding, it can be attributed to several key factors. Reason number one, rapid urbanization. In search of better job opportunities, in search of better income opportunities for higher education, in search of better healthcare facilities, many have migrated to bigger towns and cities. So due to the lack of population here in the Kopulong town, due to the decreasing household, Kopulong today has lost its significance. That's reason number one. Reason number two, there is no employment opportunity here in Kopulong town. There is no employment opportunity in Asetkong range. There might be few far and wide, but almost non-existent. The reason is most of the local populace, we are into seasonal agricultural practice, seasonal farming practice. And as we all know, seasonal farming practice, it yields very low productivity. And when there is low productivity, there will be low income. And when there is low income, there is few job creation. That's reason number two why Kopulong is losing its significance today. Reason number three, in spite maximum of the local populace engaged in the agricultural practice, there is not even a single agro-based industry. There is not even a single cold storage facility. There is not even a single proper functioning food processing unit here in the Asetkong range, here in the Kopulong town. It is very surprising. The Almighty God was gracious enough to bless the people of Kopulong with a very pleasant climatic condition, with a fertile soil, and with enough rainfall to sustain the cash crops. Cash crops such as bananas, papaya, jackfruit, that are grown in the hills and the valleys and the farms of Mopungchiket, Sungratse, Longchang, are one of the sweetest that I have ever tasted. 100% organic, and they are widely known throughout the district. Likewise, Chami, Longpa, Kanimu, the cash crops such as Naga King chili, the cash crops such as turmeric, ginger, and grass, broom grass, are well known throughout the district. In spite of having all these natural resources, since we don't have a food processing unit, since we don't have a cold storage facility, all the resources are either getting exported to other towns and cities, and or these perishable cash crops are getting wasted due to rotting. Now, I want to encourage especially the educated unemployed youth over here. You have gained your degrees. You have acquired knowledge. God has blessed you with wisdom. You have enough experiences you have gained throughout your studies. And if you are blessed with financial support, I would urge you to set up and encourage you to take up entrepreneurship and set up a skill training center here at Kopulong town, skill training center, skill development center here at Asukong range. I would urge you to take up business so that food processing units, farmer producer organization can be set up here in Asukong range. And through that, employment can be generated, income can be generated. That's for the first group of people. For the second group of people, you might have the right technical knowledge, you might have the skill set, you might have the degree, you might have the qualification, but if you don't have the luxury of financial resources, even for you there's a solution. both the state government and the central government, they are running so many schemes and programs and missions to encourage the unemployed youths to take up entrepreneurship, to take up small businesses. And some of the prominent ones are, number one, Chief Minister Microfinance Initiative, CMMFI. This scheme, this initiative was launched in the year 2022 by the state government of Nagaland. And this scheme was solely launched in order to target the unemployed youth, those who aspire to become an entrepreneur, those who aspire to become a businessmen, those who have the vision to have their own startup. And through this scheme, you can avail a loan of up to 15 lakhs. That's option number one. Option number two is you can also go for the PMEGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. It's a centrally sponsored scheme. This is also a financial support scheme. And in order to avail this scheme, educational qualification is not required for a loan up to 10 lakhs. And you can get a maximum of up to 25 lakhs through this scheme. For the third group of people, you might be having the idea, you might be having the degree, you might be having the qualification, but if you doubt that your skill set might not be good for you to venture into entrepreneurship, into business, even for you there is an option. The NSEDM, Nagaland Skill Entrepreneurship Development Mission, which works under the IDAN, Investment Development Authority of Nagaland. They are giving training for free of cost to those aspiring youths who are willing to start their own business in different trades. And not only that, but they are also assisting in the job placement as well. For the fourth group of people, those who are willing to learn, but at the same time, if you want to earn a stipend as well, for you, there is an option called apprenticeship. And that apprenticeship is Pradhan Mantri National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. Under this scheme, you can go for the training and at the same time you can earn as well. And you'll get to experience real training in the factories and in industries. And they will assist you in the job placement as well. So these are the schemes, these are some missions which can help us to overcome those obstacles that is holding back the Asetkong range, that is holding back the Kupulong town, to once again become a conspicuous, a prominent, and a relevant town. And on my part, the responsibility not only lies with the Asukong Kaketshir Mungdang officials. The responsibility lies with all of us, with each one of us. It's not an individual responsibility that is required here. We need a collective responsibility over here. So on my part, if you need any assistance in administrative procedure, office procedure, or if you're facing with any land ownership issues, land issues, or if you don't know how to go about, whom to approach, when to approach, how to approach, where to approach, I'm always there to assist you in little possible ways that I can. And in conclusion, I want to end with this old saying which goes, the youths of today are the leaders of tomorrow. The youths of today are the leaders of tomorrow. But if the youths of today, if the youths of Asetkong range does not work, if the youths of Asetkong does not take up any proactive action, if the youths of Asetkong are not interested in entrepreneurship or are not interested to have a startup or are not interested to take up business, then for us, there will be no tomorrow. So thank you once again to one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your wisdom and understanding, and also for the word of encouragement towards our Asukong students. May our good Lord bless you in all your future endeavors. Asunagi sendong number trok chigardi. Teblau samang laludishi ayer, dear, au Kaketshir Mungdang, panamtang mabangat, sir.
Asun Kaketshir mua linear tachungi mapang akasita arupat tepela temaits ipa senpet akasiner anongchi ipa senpet akizaks mebeshare.
Tidang akam tsubaliba lir bezububa Asetkong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang Menden Pordam ke tutushi asen linear Mungdang labokser wapung moatushi longkamer Honorable MLA and Advisor, Labor and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Excise, Government of Nagaland. Asetkong Mungdang, President Yanir Katang Boredom, Youth Secretary Apam Nungi, Vice Chairman Atok Town Council Kupulung, EAC Kupulung Headquarter, EAC Kefri, Pastor Kupulung Baptist Aruku, Jabugong Kaketshir Mungdang Nungi, President Yanir Katang Boredom, Changbatkong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang, President Yanir Katang Boredom, Seranggung Kaketshir Mungdang, President Yanir Katang Boredom, Lir Bezububa Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang, Planning Committee Convener Yanir Members Term, San Luten Balala Nong Alirdom, Seniors Term, Yimtsung Balala Nungi, President Yanir Yangi Kaketshirdam, Media Nungi, Au Kaketshir Mungdang Nung, Gadan Kalamtanzakadam, Iwa Mungdang Nung, Dignitary Stem, Invite Stem, Asir Mungdang Sangardam, Tamasa Achaktang, Isu Krista, Temim Salamdan, Gam Tasan Salam, Au Kaketshir Mungdang Ajanga, Lem Sadaber, Iba Sundung Tulunung, Au Kaketshir Mungdang Nam, Sabang Mua Zenung, Belasata Noktagar. Sundungya Ajiao Nung, Kanganang Rajama, Aji Unak Aiga Nung Tang Share Namugu, Sai Sabung Nung, Asnok economic nung subaliba nung tasir panelist angurang anang changaram saga ni sungta changja awurung nung naganungurung nung tugu sa anang tachung aiga chawka angudang kanga changarama repranger anungji senung yang loranga kanganang belava shismer Asetkong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang Adama Asen Kadan Tachaklan Jimbira Janga opportunities ai gadang lam sadabugo asen EAC ba janga idamla opportunities demje aji asen nangi arut mas asni bushitsu badang tasir idam yabo tajangar me yong demerang me yong anongji koba opportunities sa asno kishu anu tali rachim zmechinong asno yangi linear pushiawa yangi Asetkong nung Kaketshir linear dem dan tong dem pradapa idem la opportunities dem je asno kya awareness zbaji mabang da jong nung idem la ji pushitze manini ayong zakar tan pudu kanganang kra ain bali ma kanung asnok tan angazakpa je asangbo takitak malia kamba pudu balir anong ji asnok anukusya angazka kamsya asnoki angazakpa ji update sa liba putu anong asnok kalima mamang nong asnoki iba yimya nong yangi Asetkong sangar kanganang tumua lima nong yangi asnok kanganang our intellectuals tam atokpa yimkunga lir tsukunga lir yangi resources alir anongji tanne lanu putu ya iba maji leadet baji asnoki nam manini ayung zikr asnoki tanne putu nong distractions nong aliba lima kanong lir asnok ay gadi social media nong mabang jendin dokur games nong mabang jendin dokur saka tangazakse skill development nadama asnoki ita semagazeder ita trok asnoki mabang minduk teter ibaji mabang induk ramas saka ji kadama investment galir je kidang mena aji lesson bushir da exam adama preparation asir saka aiga aji amachok no mabang induk pa lanurdam aji uzi yimra dasir ni taun nunga jilabala nong ibaji ajangshir asan na o lanur how exam adama aji kanganang tongdibang asan ki dam laji discourage hasir mas studies hasir baji kanganang tongdibang saka tannebutu nong asnok muk chong district no literacy rate bo kanganang high saka asnok employability no po skill lanurdam ngamali taun nong takpa mabaran ajak nong asnok tangar kin zmalong mar eastern bor gilang aji employment ajak akir asnoki tasasa ga danglir awuram ai gadi agem office nong arwa tangar kinya unsara kamu waja ta complain asir aja tangar ginji unsara gambaji aji panok po aji mabat inya karo baja mapa angazker mapa tashir maroba idem laji asnuki melenz baji sheri melenz aji ni asir nai mapa mashi mangazker je aji asnuk panok tang dependence raliba asnuk mogok chong samanir kinji eba thiaja ge tanaru zngami muwa zalir anongji idem shisa asir asnuki Kaketshir den kalimi asnuki idumla tanne putu nong keji nong dakar keji skill na ali tsala nai keji changar ibaje angazaka yamaji mura asnok aja kadama asngji asnmi muzung jimbir ya shiba ma tanne mranga inyak nodang asngji asnmi yong asze tanne mranga minyakra asngji asng adama future je ya sang da her maruz future je asnuki yanglor asnuki create asir anongje asnuki Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang nong yangi zangsam damiwo idem la nongje meranga inyak tsabaji manani ayong zikr tanne asnok umani shaliwama pikat monga changa lidat pa shisashir Asetkong adamadang mas awur aja kadama asnok lenbir ga nakrang dongka lanurga asza tamaji asnoki tanne decision da jong agi zinong dakar asnok takam ajakya decision choices tanne giji nai choices agir asang ibaji we are what we are today because of the choices we made yesterday what we choose today will decide our future tasabama tanne asnoki kuba meragir kuba telam datpa agir iba telam datpa ta jong agi ba nongji asnoki akang nok takar iba nongji asnoki nakjidong mangdang da senior meranga inya kawo zubaji kanganang tongdibang ani meranga achmalu baji asan subutsu asar meranga inya paji asan takam libaliru sidima singermi Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem asar au Kaketshir Telungjem manini muajang ma kuknalim
Asen Kaketshir Mungdang merak ketak tsa sushi lenir tajongdem ten semalir tepela temai tse akitiami senpet renam jalir anongji tenang azangdang na menaliba tesem nongken nuktaka adatse mebeshir Dear Japukong Kaketshir Mungdang Dear Zerangkong Kaketshir Mungdang, Dear Changpetkong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang, Kangapelar,
Tepela u den galmi tayong zakba u tulu asushi asin lenirang kanang pelar tsingermi anu netakam asir na watang manani moachangma asung nogi sendong number tenet tangi mepti kenka kongru mi jongla tangma bangawatsir.
Among the anungi na chikam dakse the kumded ajanga the sangwa aru Asetkong nem Kaketshir jendi mwatse Ajak asu shiteyim la aketse Dane asenuk Asetkong Kaketshir Lirbeze buba Mungdang mungertem Mungdang kanong kelaminu takti Bisin bedam shia chenjang yang luti Telungjem nung maneni nuk dakang ma Kulisir ta chunga sitsi asushi Tesama pa nepur tempu siang ma Lungjem shiba nung takuk angut sisa Dane asenuk Asetkong Kaketshir Lirbeze buba Mungdang mungertem Mungdang kanong kelaminu takti Bisin bedam shia chenjang yang luti Tsengrami Asetkong sanger Dashite mediter atuk patseku Kipubay kanga auchi oku Aje malur temsem rami achung keder Dane asenuk Asetkong Kaketshir Lirbeze buba Mungdang mungertem Mungdang kanong kelaminu takti Bisin bedam shia chenjang yang luti moajang.
kan si hola ta chung ta den ta chung aki Mungdang sanger ayong zaknong kangang pelar singer mi na takam asir anu na simbit manani mo changma asunugi sendong number T dang jagi mayipti yapu shiner sangpang tekatamjin pungan ESC keferi tang nanam mabangatsir
na mapang akitse sapangi arudang akitim ajanga tepela temaitse sempat dilaga renam zalir anungji ipa sempat akizakse mepisher
Kanang asok sada menalias idak ya noktakar attendant maya nervous aji bagi attendant hang asap pagi attendant iba bai night advantage ni idak ya noktakar gize tas do tera lang attendant ang onombo nervous aji nunga asakar lang shidi jana. Thank you so much, sir. I remember one story as I went for a sleepover in one of my friends' farm here in this range. Early in the morning, I was shouting at one of my friend's farm's neighbors who came and was just looking over the pig's sty. Normally, in a big farm, we do not go and intervene and then we look because swine flu contagiousness is very prevalent in such cases. So I was just shouting at the people who were entering the farm. My friend whispered from his bed telling me, so it means you're going to go today, but I'm going to stay with them. So just shut your mouth. So that's what he was telling me. Pardon my words. So similarly, sir, I will be more diplomatic in my approach. But on a whole, I'll be continuing more or less what sir was saying. Tidang akam subwaliba AKTM katang boredom. Tidang akam magajaliba Honorable MLA and Advisor, Labor and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Excise, Government of Nagaland, Shri Mwatushi Longkumar. Delegates from RKM, delegates from different student union of different ranges, and respected elders of Asukong Mungdang, esteemed pastors, mentors, my dear brothers and sisters, from the different villages of Asukong range, and most importantly, my young friends. I was confused. English but being a government official standing here, and on top of all, being somebody local from this range itself, I decided to speak majorly in English and a little bit in Chungli as well, because since I have been told that this conference is going to be live telecast, I wanted to make sure that what I feel for this range and what I feel for these people will be heard through every nook and corner of our society. I'm grateful for this opportunity and this time to our Lord Savior Jesus Christ, and also to the program organizers for using my name. A gathering like this is important because it brings people together, not just to meet, but to think seriously about where we are headed as individuals and as a community. A gathering like this is not just a program on a calendar, it is a statement of intent. It tells the world that the youth of Asetkong are thinking, questioning, dreaming, and preparing for tomorrow. This is not merely a platform of speeches. It is a moment of reflection, responsibility, and resolve. Today, I do not wish to give a very long lecture, but I wish to share a few thoughts that may stay with us long after this conference ends. A students' conference is not about how well we speak today. It is about how seriously we think about tomorrow. One challenge facing today's students is not the lack of opportunity, but the lack of effort. Asunok usyagi azmisin nasvaya. Facilities as opportunities po ajakler saka asunok tatitang tulo tiba de tanasang lanur de madama Kaketshir ga adama aje azmisin baya. Comfort, whether through technology, easy distractions, or dependency, has reduced our willingness to struggle. Progress does not conform to comfort. It comes from discipline, routine, and persistence. You may fail an exam. You may not succeed immediately, but that's normal. What is not acceptable is giving up without trying seriously. Today's students face challenges that earlier generations did not. Intense competition, rapid technological change, fewer traditional jobs, rising mental health pressures, and global exposures that bring both opportunity and confusion. The world will not slow down for us. We must prepare faster, smarter, and better. Like how the previous speakers have also spoken about the rich legacy of Asetkong. Asukong range holds a special place in our history. Within this range is Impur, which is recognized as a spiritual hub of Christianity for the Ao tribe. From Impur, faith, education, discipline, and a sense of service spread across the Ao society. This history is not meant for us to be proud only in words. It places on us, each and every one of us, a responsibility. When people hear that we are from Asetkong, they expect a certain standard of conduct. Asukong is not just a geographical area. It is a living heritage of values, resilience, community spirit, and dignity. It is a land where history, culture, and faith converge. Impur reminds us that faith must lead to character. Character must lead to conduct, and conduct must lead to contribution. If we call ourselves the soil of this, the children of this soil, then we must ask, are we living lives worthy of this heritage? The real question for us, especially the students, is simple. Are we living up to that expectation? Progress is not about forgetting our roots, okay? True progress is about carrying our roots forward in the future. My dear students, I come to another important contribution of Asukong, that is education. We have thought of education to be only a degree, but education is not merely about getting a degree or a job or a government post. Education is about learning to think independently and learning to question responsibly. A highly educated person who lacks integrity is a danger to the society. A less privileged student with honesty, discipline, and empathy can rather transform a village. My dear students, education gives us the skills. Faith gives us the direction. Culture gives us that identity. When education is separated from values, society can become clever but not wise. True education should make you competent in profession and humble in success. Ask yourself, what kind of an educated person do I want to be? Another diagnosis that I've found as I had discussions throughout these days and weeks is that we have a fear for failure. But let me just ascertain, we must not fear failure, but what we must fear is inaction. Many young people today are not afraid of failing, they're afraid of trying. The fear of exams, the fear of competition, fear of leaving the comfort zone, fear of being different. But remember, failure teaches and inaction weakens. Some of us will succeed early, some will stumble, some may take longer than others, but this is perfectly fine. Many young people today are trapped not by poverty, but by comfort, staying in the comfort zone. Comfort makes us passive. It kills curiosity and it weakens resilience. Ask yourself 3 questions. When was the last time I challenged myself? When did I last try something different? And when did I last fail and learn? Failure is not the opposite to success. Fear of trying is. I repeat, failure is not the opposite of success. Fear of trying is. Life is not a race, it is a responsibility. The third diagnosis that I found is a lot of people have now started equating village, the terms village, terms rural, with something that is degenerative. But let me say that our village is our strength. Village roots and global vision is something that we must all envision. We must never think that coming to a village, imdak yarubaya, tilaba kamer, mesrabangla, imdak nung alinamwo upbringing up majongze, imdak nung je aje ay majasar. Instead of focusing on all the negatives, why not we think that village roots and global vision that we all embolden. The world today is searching for ethical leaders, community builders, and problem solvers, and people who understand sustainability. These are values we learn in villages by observing life, nature, cooperation, and responsibility. We must carry a global vision but remain anchored in village wisdom. The villages of Asetkong are not just names on paper, they are training grounds, and they must be training grounds for leadership. Village background is an advantage. It should never be considered as a disadvantage. Some students feel that coming from villages limits them, but this is a mistaken belief. Village teaches cooperation. It teaches us resilience, respect for nature, and responsibility, qualities that modern societies are struggling to relearn. What we need is exposure and confidence, not abandonment of our roots. We must carry our village identity with dignity wherever we go. Let us be job seekers today, but job creators tomorrow. The future will not be shaped by those who seek jobs, but by those who create opportunities. The previous speakers have already spoken about the opportunities in agriculture, in entrepreneurship, in sports, culture, music, technology, social work, and every aspect of a committed youth life. We must not wait for the government to do everything. Government can support, but initiative must come from us. Beyond government jobs, let us expand our definition of success. Government jobs are respectable, we all agree, but they are not the only measure of success. Today's world will offer and has been and will offer opportunities in entrepreneurship, in agricultural innovation, in sports, in creative industries, in social enterprises, and in technology. The Asukong students must not limit their dreams to narrow definitions of success. Let some of us become administrators, let others become entrepreneurs, let some become educators, some pastors, scientists, artists, and even reformers. A strong society needs diverse leadership. So let us ask ourselves, what problem of my village, of my range, can I solve? This question should shape our lives. To the Students' Union, who has been representing the aspirations and the endeavors of all the students, unity is power. A divided student body is weak, but a united student body is a force. Debate is healthy, differences are natural. But division based on ego, rumors, and narrow thinking will only slow us down. Division weakens the progress. Tribalism, ego, misinformation, and personal rivalry have destroyed more communities than poverty ever did. Asukong Mungdang must stand as a symbol of unity in diversity, respectful dialogue, and collective leadership. Disagree with ideas, but let us never disrespect people. As and when I was thinking about what I will be saying after narrating the diagnosis that our range is facing. I came upon the program nungya asunuge 44 puba Asukong Mungdang amungar. So if we count down 6 years from now, asunuk 50 golden jubilee, 50 years golden jubilee among ler Mungdang ya. So during that time, what are the questions that we are going to pose to us? Tan iba no kunungya asunuk ajak mener. I'm talking especially to the Kaketshirs students. Idak ya mener na no keji resolution akir PP masa. Don't tell it to anybody else. Don't tell it to the person sitting on your left or right, but tell it to yourself. Asunuk PP masa resolution ga kyang godo. Tananong itanzakar kumtruk awudang chupli kudang amunjar na ni pa la langagawa sazado na. Iba mabang nungje nuktakar samano nuktakar testimony ga aziz magaziz. Iba challenge she asunok aja ke pener alizla. In that same line, nia idak ya nuktakar nibo ya shiner. That's judo. There are certain things that I've also found on the lines of what Sir has also expounded. What Asukong and the students of this range can do and can work together for making sure that we can leapfrog. I'm not talking about a step. It's only 6 years for Golden Jubilee. We don't need to take 1-2 steps. Let us leapfrog. Nahe. So in order for Asukong to leapfrog and achieve that significance, as in when we approach Golden Jubilee, I've also expounded and I've also thought of certain things that I wanted to share. Number 1, only 9 points. Very short, but I'll be crisp to the points. Number 1, invest seriously in skill-based education. Azar tsungrami muazba maya in faith. When we believe in faith, there is nothing called coincidence. Asunok tamang ba nung ya coincidence kita malaw. Everything is a coherence. That is why Sir as well as our Akim President have spoken about skill development. Azar of all the people, Asunoktan advisor skill development manalir. So that is why take this opportunity. Asunok kichimbe to tauba speakers for the mi achimi go ni achimi za asarno pungthang ya temersel na no mabang ishi anangalida. If there are certain points to be which you think can be turned into a policy or something that can be implemented, our honorable advisor is seated over here. Let us take every opportunity of this moment. So number 1 is invest seriously in skill-based education. Degrees alone are no longer enough. Students from Asetkong must focus on number 1, digital skills, communication and writing, financial literacy, technical and vocational skills, entrepreneurship and development. Students, churches and student bodies must encourage certifications, online learning, internships and exposure beyond the textbook. Skills can give confidence and confidence will create opportunity. Number 2, master English, technology and communication. These 3 areas determine competitiveness today. English is the language of opportunity. Technology is the language of the future. And communication is the language of leadership. Students who can speak clearly, write well, and use technology responsibly will always stand out regardless of the background. Number 3, build discipline and work ethic as a cultural identity. Talent without discipline will always fail. Asetkong must be known for consistency, honesty, and commitment. Discipline must begin at home, be reinforced in churches and schools, and practiced by students daily. This is how regions build reputations. Number 4, use faith as a strength, not as an excuse. Impur reminds us that faith is meant to strengthen character, not replace effort. Prayer must go hand in hand with preparation. Belief must be supported by hard work. Faith should give courage to face challenges, not excuse to avoid them. Number 5, create strong student and youth networks. No individual succeeds alone. Asukong students should build learning groups, mentorship networks, alumni support system, village-based youth initiatives. Shared knowledge will grow faster. Collective effort multiplies that impact. Students must become problem solvers. It is easy to point out the problems in our society. It is much harder to be part of that solution. Instead of asking why things are not improving, students should ask, what role can I play in order to improve the problem that I see? Number 6, encourage entrepreneurship and local innovation. Instead of waiting for the jobs to come, students must think of agri-based entrepreneurship, tourism and cultural ventures, digital services, sports, music, and creative industries. Local problems are opportunities in disguise. Those who solve them will lead. So let us be solutions and not spectators. Let us not ask who will fix this, but let us ask what can I do. Even small actions, when done consistently, can change history. Number 7, compete with the best, not just the nearest. Do not compare yourself with only the neighboring areas. Let us benchmark against top performing districts, successful student communities, national and global standards. Let us aim high. Mediocrity is a choice. Number 8, turn village identity into a global advantage. Your village background gives you resilience, adaptability, and community values. Add modern skills to this foundation, and you will become unstoppable. Number 9, develop leadership early. Leadership is built through responsibility, service, accountability, and ethical conduct. Students must start leading now through actions, not titles. Leadership begins now, not tomorrow. Leadership begins in classrooms, playgrounds, church, and villages. We do not need a title to be called a leader. Whenever we think of leadership, let us always assume the fact that whatever we do, we must consider it as a calling. I can be a son to my parents. That responsibility of a son is my calling. I can be an EEC, that is my calling. I can be a student tomorrow in a classroom, that is my calling. So let us imbibe this culture so that tomorrow and thereafter in our lives we always learn that leadership is not something that is imposed upon us, but it is a choice. You can always decide and you can make the choice to lead or you can follow. That is the decision I want each and every one of us to make today. A challenge that I want to pose for each and every student that is gathered over here, and even if, in fact, if I say a student is somebody who always keeps on learning, the student is not only confined to LKG, to post-graduation or PhD degree. We always keep on learning. Learning is a process, and whoever considers yourself as a person who keeps on learning is somebody who is a student. And therefore, generally speaking, it is a challenge to all the students gathered over here, aspiring to do something for this range, for the people, for the community and the society. Asukong has given the Ao people faith, education, and leadership. Impur is that spiritual hub for Christianity of our tribe, shaped not only the religious life, but also discipline, learning, and service. That legacy should not stop with history. This legacy places a responsibility on each and every one of us. When people hear the name Asetkong, they expect something out of us: character, seriousness, and integrity. If we want to remain relevant in this rapidly changing world, we cannot rely on our past glories. We must build on new strengths, on old foundations. 6 years from now, when we speak of Asukong, and when we are all gathered here for a grander celebration, people should speak of Asetkong people as people who strengthened the society and not weakened it. The future of Asetkong will not be decided by policies alone. It will be decided by the choices that we make every day. 6 years from now, people should say that Asetkong students did not just compete, they excelled. They did not follow the trends, but they set the standards. 6 years from now, when people speak of Asetkong, let us make people say, this region produced students who change not only their own lives, but also the destiny of our and their villages. That responsibility rests on our shoulders. When we think of all these challenges, we should always culminate to one point. And I would like to conclude with this. Faith should be our priority. Our heart lies where our treasure is. This is what the Bible tells us. We as students of a living, and we as students and believers of a living God, let us make sure that we keep our faith where it is and where it should be. That is a living God. Our treasure should be the God that was then, now, and forever. The God that was in the 19th century, 20th century, 21st century is the same today. And therefore, as and when we accept all these challenges that different officers or different visitors or delegates might pose to each and every one of us, we must take this challenge, but we must also make sure that it is encapsulated by the faith that we have in the living God. The impure that we always talk about, this is what Christianity originated from in our society, in our community. Christianity is not just a ritual. I tell you, it is a way of life. Our faith will always be tested when we face temptation, when shortcuts seems easier, when dishonesty appears to be rewarding, and when compromise looks very convenient. Students of Asetkong must be known not just for intelligence, but let me say integrity. Remember, knowledge may open many doors, but the character decides how long we will stay inside. In conclusion, if Asetkong combines faith from impure, discipline in everyday life, modern skills, unity among students, and a hunger to improve, then there is no reason why this region cannot shine among the best. Let your education sharpen your thinking. Let your faith strengthen your character. Let your actions benefit your community. The future of Asetkong will be shaped not by the speeches, but what we will do after this conference ends. The future is not something that will happen to you, but like how our AKM president says, if the future is something that we must build, let us build it with faith in God, knowledge in our mind, courage in our heart, and service in our actions. I wish this students' conference great success, and I wish each and every one of you a life of purpose, contribution, and pride. Thank you.
Sir, na ay nearly malungwa, kangalang mazing yaliba takam, saka na asan Asukong kangalang mimno, na mapang akad sa arur, na tipilong bata chong, asan Asukong Kaketshir dan lamsatap nung, kangalang balawa matatak sir, sa kami nitakam, asir watang, maninimuwa chang ma. Asunugi sundong number tukujigi arti, Mungdang labok sir wapung muatushi longkomer, Honorable MLA and Advisor, Labor and Employment, Skill Development, and Entrepreneurship and Excise, Government of Nakali. Sir Varudang, asunok Mungdang sanga jaki panam akatsa, saksalma nuktaka atadi.
Suchasur Asetkong Chapasu Wapung Muadushi Lungomer, Honorable MLA and Advisor, Labor and Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Excise, Government of Nagalin, Surkar Mapa nung mazing idang aliba linear, Saka nai Asetkong Kaketshir mima, Mapang akatsitit pa atama kamram belar. Nasa pangi arupa mapang, Akidim ajanga, Tepela temaitse sempet ka runam salir, Anong ci ipa sempet akizak zimabishir.
Yang Shandong Linear as dear Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang. Yeah, near Kadangpur. Them administrator of Kopulong and also Kifri. Yang AKM theory near Paden Kadangpurdam. So kung palala nung student representative ko ina Italier, yang ano kadan kalami tensema uze rong sangar longpa pudo yimseser da jongdam yimseng palala nung yimseser ko ina Italier ano talisa yang Asukong Indi Mungdang theory anier ano Kopulong atok tong committee aser members ko ina ka Italier aso yang kadamiyam Asukong students nanokajak tangi niya so the gibongi tapala 2026 New Year wish us sir nanokajak tangi aja pener yang ini kangarang namaranga as kemanotakar keciyong sir Asukong ya suja sudet der sukonga tashi tawar agi senga liba sukonga semubong temerak aser mubunga alima kangata amas kangata mukunga mas perfect weather climatic conditions. Yang ni song asunok mimjer janga dama leader. Asen serabo mabang rantangara, which I believe two of my previous speakers also have mentioned regarding the Yimpur. Nagalima, First Christian Mission Center, Yimpur lima tanzak. Aser yangi previous speaker Vitolo Yashibama. Many of the scholars, intellectuals have studied from this Yimpur school who have served the state of Nagaland in different capacities. Asunuki Asung Suja Sudader da Kijiba Ashir Sabangla, the first chief ministers of Nagaland, Mr. P. Shilo, Longjang Imdi Manongi, Yajin Nair, the first director of education, Nagaland, from Mabongjugi Yimdi Manongi, Sashimern Iyer, he was the first development commissioner among the Nagas, I believe. Asen, Sangaji Yimdi Manongi, the second UBSC qualified IAS, Mr. Wadi Temjen, iba panok mesra, iba asong nungi intellectuals, zengar mezang tadi. So totoo, aser yamaji tana panok mesra asunok asong sangar, ay gadang zeng teta nakalima yimse saru dagi. Tana Asukong Kaketshir woman kangadang tarat, a very powerful team. Siyempre pi katmong ajanga lidat pa Kaketshir. Iba woman ya lamdap sebadang masa kano lamdap sebadang masa saka iba lima lirautse Lananitz woman gada angatiti. This theme is not just a theme for discussion, but it is a direction for life. Asunok mim utsagi sayor kuba linaka mesra nizong nabur mesra kija nija achongba auksa tashi tait magamer. History shows no nation, no community, and no individuals become strong by accident. Saka Tashiji, the strength, is built slowly. Mizalongi, nagla nakjidonga yor. Tiam arma, taz meranga. Iyak Mungdang, iba Tashiji, agamer. Asertetia kya, miji, mimong tilaga, nongyang abudata amshiba asunugi angazagar. Alima desembalala nong ra. When we look at the world, Japan, Korea, rara tungbang parlima, ajanga parlima kangasa raksa, devastated by the Second World War, the Korean War, the countries of Japan and Korea, they were so devastated. Saka parn ki par lima yang lo siya achungot pa ta asunugi angor. But they have rebuilt their country in such a way that we see today they are among the top 10 world economies, which we need to understand and perhaps emulate from them. Why? Because they have invested in discipline. Kechiba sa parnoki, parnok sa azo ka. Education bushi. Tazang ba nung tumulungakat sa Aser, they made collective effort. Parnoki, parnok yung chumer, parli ma yangarza, nukla yor mabachit dunok. Parnoki tama sa tashi kama akam sa mamarang. Parnoki mabachit dunok. They acted first, and strength followed. Today, they are the models of self-reliant society. Tama sa speaker Shiva ma asok ba yung nonton di adendene? Ano China lima arang lang ra kamlir bungo shiyoko. They were the world's largest population. Of course, today India have surpassed that. There were famines in China. 1959-61, called the Great Leap Forward Famine. Yang iba ayawara nung ya 15 to 50 million Chinese takam sama. Saka tang China lima kam lir bungo lir tanda ya arbandang. They have become the second world largest economy. $19.2 trillion economy of 2024 statistics. Ya kuda sa asalok sira parnuki taruz nukla kurat kayur. They decided to take the responsibility for their future by building skills. Just because I happen to be the advisor of skill development, yet I understand what our previous speakers have also mentioned about skilling, which is very important in today's conditions. Encouraging enterprise, and they refuse to remain dependent. They understood that self-reliance is not about the size or wealth, it is about the mindset. Tanan nakalima pornok tangara. How do you define the Nagaland today? We are lazy. As a mission. Keja miyakidang tangardang yimlar. Tangardang mishmetja aliba malong sense, the very mindset to beg from others. Tena aliba ki asnok tijakle ni mawar as a rukungadang leader. Anong ji tanani asnok Asukong kagat rejo sangar ayong nok nabaji. Arong tang asunok takatalipa mindset the molongsen zabaji yemaya tamajung ya Malaysia, Japan, Korea, Chinese nongordakji listen here takam liba your Malaysia di kajong sara iba mindset, this very mindset starts with the students. Asunok nanok tanalanorem iba mindset to Malaysia the nogitanakara kajimao sali. The world is yours. A self-reliant student is not one who waits for the perfect opportunity. It is one who prepares even when conditions are not perfect. Intellectual dajar. Intellectual is one who understands the effort that creates today for freedom tomorrow. From such students emerge self-reliant citizens. From such citizens emerge self-reliant societies. Asunok ikajiba self-reliant yakan jibir sabangla denoki iba self-reliant ba you sir iba Mungdang ya chadakali nongji how to be self-reliant nong I'm focusing on that issue. Tandano iba loktitan sendenden kalami say sabong ayong zakali nong ni nanotang yadang shiner say sabong sports ya zaba magizula. Sports are not meant to be symbolic. Sports are not meant to be casual. Asunuki sports ya asyo tana atalokam madalokam det. Asaya manaka mabangandok amayrang tanakali daw. I don't know, I have not seen it today. Saka iba ba ya asunuki asaya manaka amayrang magizala. Iba sports, today's sports, say sabong tang Asukong Kaketshir ju jangal chadakpa, it should be a platform to identify youth, talent, and raise standards and push athletes towards district, state, and national competition. Tana say sabong agibanongin nugin nakchidongji talent shimdita. Next step, district level, state level, or for that matter, national level, yuk sabanongji nakchidong yurak. When sports are pursued seriously, korang iba say sabongji na seriously agidir, they shape people in powerful ways. They build discipline, respectful rules, teamwork, and resilience. These qualities create not just athletes, but leaders, professionals, and responsible citizens. That is why sports are deeply connected to self-reliance. And before my concluding speech, I want to vouch what our administrator of Kupulong have also mentioned, that the drawback that we have in Asukong, it is a very sad affair. Therefore, we should all come together to bring up this pathetic situation into the past glory. We have the past glory of one of the most progressive Asukong in Mangokchung district, and I should say that once again, we are second to none. We can catch up with others. Therefore, in conclusion, Tatamnong, it is my honor and privilege to declare the 44th Asukong Kaketshir Aser Sai Sabong open. Thank you. Iba.
Sir, nakangalang mazing yaliba takam, saka naitang nung Asukong Kaketshir mima arwagi, na tangatot pa Asir tibilam bata jong asan Asukong student lam sadap nung kangang belawa mendetakser sangrami netakam kipung asir watang manili mojang tasbaji asan Asukong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang sar sadam lir manani tongnung iwa sendung nung planning committee noksubama ajaki arwa shilim ta jong diwa kya iwa sendung mirak taksenung kangang belawa lam sadaber Asuniki tatumang senung jigi arti number 2 tatum sar sadam wapung lanu longgomer pastor kubulung baptis aroku
Sara Sadamer Telungsang ulagi Kibuba nanam Kaketshir Lir sir bezebuba Asetkong Kaketshir Telungjem Mungdang Lokti senden Asir sai sabong sendung wasushi Yungya seda Sara sadamata ba Atang chinong Kibubay muacha Iba sendong Mirakata Tenzak taksenong Ubaw no kilong chimer Nanam tenungsang Kaketshir O kudakarobat sengram Nayo nok miyimba Nayo nok auchiba Asir uzi sendong madak Nailenanya muatsiba sushi Pela sedau ba taungnong Iba senden tenzak pa The chimbir balala changa tayong zukpa o balala kachang. Sisa shirdam. Tanga zukpa chen tia kachang. Mua chang. Iba sendungwani nung pelar. Tanang sanga katsir. Tanaw ba o nagikubanga zakir. Itamchi. Mabak mainyakar gagasiritsi. Kibubay unwa chaktan chambiyang ma. Nay mua chang. Nay sendong dakuwa kachang, iba sendong muat senong tanong sang katsir. Asirya maji ubat sengram dang nung yan dutin zikir. Anengali ba sendong dam nunga, kibuba tau chita katena, muat chang, takuk manong anyang manoda, uba narang tau chimishir. Sara sarma iba sendong din zikpa, kibubay muat chang ninong, nanamdang tanong sang, kunang acha kakatya sara sarma uba, idama chang nung kibur, Nai kuda melungwer yamajidang sangma. Amin.
Planning Committee members ajak, Subcommittee members ajak, Executive Asir Office mabang tats kadama Mungdang kilam noalitze medetaksir.